In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make this cool sound visualizer around a car's rim in DaVinci Resolve 18. Start off by copying your clip. We will use that later to mask out the rim. Open the bottom one in Fusion page. Find Fast Noise. Remove this merge node. Hit the circle on the left to open it in the left preview window. Turn down detail all the way and change to color to gradient. Change gradient type to linear. Then move these to adjusters closer to each other. Click on the left adjuster so the color under it turns black, like this. Now, turn down alpha all the way. Move these values until the white is perfectly horizontal. You can change the start and end values to 0.5 to make it horizontal. Move down to where it says Repeat and click on it. Move this adjuster to make the lines thinner. Now you should have many lines like I do. If not, make sure you followed each step precisely. Great. Now add a polygon node for it. Draw a straight line from the wheel. Uncheck solid and turn up border width. Then add a temporary merge node and connect the fast noise to it. Now it should be visible in the right preview window. Good. Now find duplicate node. Change the amount of copies to 80. We will change this later though. Then move to angle and type 360/80. Now it should have a nice circle of these lines. Find transform and delete the merge node. Add a tracker and position it like I do. Take a nice high contrast area and track the point. Change adaptive mode to best match. When it's tracked, change operation mode to match move. Make sure merge is foreground over background. As you can see, the lines are only tracked to the wheel under half of the video. We can fix this with keyframes. Add a keyframe for size on the point where the lines are not tracked anymore. Of course, if your tracker kept it on point the whole clip, then you don't need to do this part. Go to the end and reduce the size so the lines sit nicely on the wheel. You can also keyframe the position if needed. The lines aren't still keeping their place as I would like, so let's open the spline window and select size. Adjust the graph until you like it. Okay, select duplicate and change the amount of copies to 20. Also for the angle, change it to 360/20. Let's start to animate. Keyframe length every 5 to 10 frames and change the value drastically to make the effect look nice. Do this for a bit and then open keyframes window. Find polygon 1 and copy the keyframe by highlighting them and pressing Ctrl+C+Ctrl+V to paste, And for Mac users, Command-C plus Command-V. Repeat until the whole clip is covered. Good. Now copy the node tree. Select Transform and adjust the angle slightly. Open Keyframes window and move all the keyframes a little, like this. The goal is to make them go separately. Copy the nodes again and repeat the process. Cool. Now for the finishing touches. You can change the color of the lines in the Fast Noise node by adjusting these sliders. Also, adding a glow node will make them look nicer, at least in my opinion. Now the hardest part is done. Go back to the editing page and open the top clip in color page. Take a circle masking tool and mask out the rim. Then head on to the node window and add alpha output. That's basically it.